installation sections we simulated by the LXⅡ Pro series. There are two screens. The backside one is the 3.9 of the advertising screen, and the poster is the P2.9. So there are different functions. Each one is for bus information. That one is the advertisement. And this product is very suitable for outdoor use because it has 6 sides for outdoor use, and also in front and the rear maintenance. Also, it's die casting aluminum module, so it's with high protection of the IP66 and also fire resistance. We have multi-products to do this one. The top one is the LXⅡ product. It's super light and super thickness product. The weight is only 2 kilograms per cabinet, so it's very light. You can just one mountain installation for it. And the second row is the L Mini series. This one is form cathode flip chip product, so it has the 10 protections such as anti-scratch, anti-moisture, anti-heat. As you can see here, counter screen and that column, they also made by the BNX 1.9 MIP.
Nice. How amazing this shape. Look at this very smooth curve.